So hello friends, in this video we will learn what are different type of data analytics. So we will learn what are different type of data analytics. So there are several type of data analytics that are commonly used to extract insight from data. So the main part of the job of data analytics is to finding something useful information from the data. So to do that they have to go through several type of steps, or you can say several type of data analytics are there. So we will discuss them one by one. So what are the tools, techniques or types of data analytics like data analytics will use while doing their job. So first of one is your descriptive analytics, then is your diagnostic analytics, next is your predictive analytics, and the last one is your prescriptive analytics. So four type of data analytics we are discussing here: descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and prescriptive. So we will discuss them one by one what they mean. So first of all is your descriptive analytics. What is descriptive analytics? So descriptive analytics focus on summarizing and describing historical data to gain an understanding of what happened in the past. So it is basically like we have a data which are from the past, and we will see like what has happened so far. So we will go dig into the data, go inside the data and see like whatever sales we have made, whatever profit we have made, or whatever type of data is there. So we have to dig into it and finding some useful information from that. So that can be done with the descriptive analytics. So for that we have to apply certain techniques. It involves basic statistical analytics, data visualization and exploratory data analysis technique to provide insight into pattern, trend and summary statistics of the data. So here we will use descriptive statistics to find out what has happened so far, and we will put them in a visualization form so it is easy to understandable and easy to convey the message to the stakeholders. Next is your diagnostic analytics. So diagnostic aim to understand why certain event or outcome occur by digging deeper into the data. It involves analyzing historical data to identify the root cause of the specific event or trend. So in this diagnostic analysis we will find why it's happened, like whatever historical data we have got from your descriptive. Now we will want to diagnose it why it has happened. So we will discuss it and we will identify the root cause of specific event or trend. So why such things happens in the past. So we will have certain examples like we have a sale of umbrella in a particular season, why it's happening, what are the reasons. So we will dig deeper into the data. Diagnostic analytics often involve data exploration, advanced visualization and statistical techniques such as regression analysis, correlation analysis and hypothesis testing. So here we also use some statistics, but it includes your regression analysis, correlation analysis and hypothesis statistics. So this will be used in your diagnostic analytics. Next is your predictive analytics. Predictive analytics involve historical data and statistical modeling technique to make prediction about the future event or outcome. So here we can say we will forecast like what will happen next. Like if this will happen last year, so what will happen in the next year. Like you will get sometime like when there is a rainy season, you will get a message from the government like when it will rain. So that is basically a predictive analytics. So they will predict like what will happen in the future. So similarly company will predict like what will be the sale they will make, how many customers do they have, what are the buying habits of the customer. So all these things will be used using predictive. So predictive is basically modeling technique to make prediction about future event and outcome. So how it is done? So it uses algorithms and machine learning models. So here we will use machine learning and algorithm to analyze patterns and relationship in the data and makes predictions or forecast. So we will predict what will happen next. Predictive analytics is commonly used in various domains such as sales, forecasting, customer behavior prediction, risk assessments. Like bank is giving loan, whether that loan will be get back by the bank or not, so that they will not get NPA. Similarly, customer behavior, what are the customer buying patterns. So all these things, sales forecasting, what will be the sales next year. So all these things will be using predictive analytics. So we will use some statistical tools, predictive analytics, and we will forecast. So algorithm and machine learning model is used for that. So next is your predictive analytics goes beyond predictions and aims to provide recommendation on the best course of action to be optimized. This is called prescriptive analytics. Now from predictive we will take this prescriptive, like what is the measure we will take. It will basically taking the actions. So here we will take the final action. So like if you are like suppose like you are doing expenses on advertisement last year 1 lakh. So what expense you will do this year? So this is basically making decision. So final decision with the people we will make in the prescriptive analysis. So it involves using optimized along stimulus models and decision making framework to evaluate different scenarios and suggesting the most effective action to achieve desirable goals. So we will study all the measures and finally we will take decision through this predictive analytics. So these type of data analytics are not mutually exclusive and they are often complement each other in comprehensive data analysis approach, depending on the problem at the hand and the available data. So you can, for more details, you can join Vista Academy and learn data analytics in detail. Thank you very much for watching.